Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to your home decor channel. Today I have for you an amazing DIY, and it's this wall art that I had in mind for a long time, but finally I was able to put it together, and here's the final result. It's a gorgeous piece, but let me show you guys how did I get here. A list of all the items used on this DIY will be in the description box below with the exact quantities. And my inspiration of making this beautiful wall art, it was this company called William Wood Mirrors that I came across on Instagram. But the one that I actually liked was like 300 euros, so I wasn't gonna pay that much money, obviously. So when I saw these mirrors at the Dollar Tree, I thought they have the same Baroque style, and I absolutely love them. So I thought it was a great idea just to recreate the look, and also it was only $35, so I was able to make this beautiful piece and refresh my living room with only $35. That's a great deal. And this also reminds me of one of the pieces from El Dorado Furniture or Z Gallery. But I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think of this DIY? Did it come out amazing? I really appreciate your loyalty into my channel. Thank you very much for the love and the support. And for those of you that are not subscribed yet, I would love to have you part of the family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day and enjoy your Saturday. Ciao.